What if the greatest threat to our infrastructure wasn't age, weather, or even natural disasters? What if it was something invisible?
Something slow, relentless, something we don't notice until it's too late.
That something is corrosion. It eats away at our bridges, pipelines, and our industrial plants all across the globe.
It impacts everything from construction to petrochemical systems, causing a structural failure and safety risks.
And the numbers don't lie. According to NACE, over $2.5 trillion is spent annually just to combat corrosion. As we can see by this graph, marine industries are the most affected by this, as they're underwater, and rust really affects underwater businesses.
For decades, we've been using traditional corrosion inhibitors, which are chemicals that are designed to slow metal degradation.
They work, but most of them are toxic. Many of them contain heavy metals, petroleum solvents, and other harmful compounds.
As my partner said, they're effective, but they still pollute our ecosystem and endanger human health.
In trying to stop corrosion, we started a whole new set of problems. That's why green inhibitors matter. They're an eco-friendly, often plant-based solution that is both biodegradable and safe.
And they come from natural substances too, some found even in your kitchen, and they offer effective corrosion protection without any toxic side effects.
No harmful gases, no hazardous waste, and in many cases, their performance nearly matched synthetic inhibitors, especially on mild and carbon steel.
Now let's get specific. Pomegranate extract forms a thin film that protects mild steel on acidic environments.
Ginger extract disrupts corrosion reactions, which can dramatically cut metal loss.
Co-
It even works in harsh conditions.
Cocoa bark shows promising results on carbon steel, and olive stem extract, excellent resistance on chloride-rich solutions.
Nature already had the chemistry. We just have to start paying attention. But it doesn't come without its complications. Green inhibitors aren't perfect. One of the major issues being compatibility. Many of them don't really mix well with already existing industrial coatings.
And that makes integration tough for large facilities with complex protection systems.
They're still a relatively new thing. Therefore, more research, better testing, improved formulations, and long-term performance data is much needed.
Still, the potential is clear. We just need to keep pushing the science forward. Enter EonCoat, a breakthrough coating system that not only that it doesn't sit on the metal, it becomes a part of it.
When applied to carbon steel, it chemically reacts, forming a bonded ceramic layer that permanently protects it from corrosion.
And that means no VOCs, no solvents, and no toxic runoff.
It's not just protection, it's transformation, durability, sustainability, and most importantly, safety. But let's talk about a more traditional method. Hot dip galvanization is a classic that still works incredibly well.
When you dip steel into molten zinc, it creates a bonded layer that protects it from corrosion for decades.
It's simple and cost-effective and much safer than other coatings.
Sometimes the old school methods hold their ground, especially when they're proven and practical. Green inhibitors are still in the early stages, but they're full of promise.
They offer protection without pollution. Imagine fewer structural damages, longer lifespans, and safer environments.
If we keep exploring new materials and refine how we extract and apply them, we can reshape corrosion prevention entirely.
It's not just about swapping out chemicals, it's a change in mindset.
It's about designing smarter systems that perform better and last longer.
As technologies step up, new things will appear that will help balance strength, sustainability, and safety.
And that's the future we need, where performance goes hand in hand with responsibility. Oh.
Imagine a world where the same ingredients we grow and eat are used to keep bridges standing and people safe.
And a world where corrosion no longer means decay, but durability.
Sometimes the most powerful solutions come from the most unexpected places.
Thank you for listening.
We hope to see you in a greener future.
This